I'm Miss Kristen from the Schreiner Memorial Library. I'm here in my kitchen because we're going to be doing a demonstration on how to make no-bake energy bites. The energy bites are something that you can make with everyday ingredients. Most people have these ingredients in their kitchen. You can use all of the ingredients, or you can add different things to these energy bites, and they are delicious. So before we start cooking, the first thing we need to do is to wash our hands. Hand washing is so important right now. Of course, we've been talking about this for a long time. It's important to lather up very nicely and to get in between your fingers, on the tops of your hands, around your thumb. Those germs like to especially hide in this little area, so make sure you get in there. I like to go all the way up to my wrists. And of course, we need to lather for at least 20 seconds. Get everywhere those germs might be hiding, and then rinse off really well so all of the soap goes down the drain. Goodbye, germs. Good, and then we want to make sure and just wipe all of that moisture off of our hands. Good, now we're ready to cook. Good, so here are the ingredients for the no-bake energy bites. We're going to be needing oatmeal. This is flaxseed meal, chia seeds, peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips. So the first thing we want to do, of course, these are our measuring devices. This is a half of cup. This is a third of a cup, and this is a tablespoon. And of course, we're going to be needing a spatula for all that peanut butter we're putting in here. So the first thing we're going to want to do is add our dry ingredients. We're going to be needing a half a cup of oatmeal. Make sure you shake off the top and make sure it's level. You put that in the bowl. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. 1, 2. We'll be needing 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal. Nice and flat on top is a good measure. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Good, that's it for the dry ingredients. And now we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of honey. And I'll just take a spatula so we can get all of the honey out of the spoon. Great. And then we'll be needing a third cup peanut butter. So when we measure the peanut butter, we want to make sure we fill all the entire measuring device here, so the entire third cup. So that means we're going to put it in and we'll push it down. Make sure it gets in all of the crevices so that we're measuring the right amount. Peanut butter gets a little messy, doesn't it? And flatten it off on top so you get just the right amount. And then I'll take my spatula and we'll scrape it right out of there. Make Make sure you get the corners. Good. And then we mix it all together. So I try to mix as much as I can with my spatula. And then, if I need to, I use my hands. I can do that because I've got nice clean hands and I haven't touched my face or my mouth. So you see what that looks like there? It smells great, looks beautiful. If you have a peanut allergy, you can use almond butter, any kind of nut butter. I know that they have soy butter at the grocery store. So now you see we've got a nice little dough here. It's time to take your hands and start making some round balls. So it depends on how big you want them and how many you'd like. I'll need to find a plate. I forgot to bring that out. Good thing I'm in my own kitchen. They are so delicious. We made these in Cooking with Kids in 2018, and you really seem to like it, and I'm happy to bring them back. They're fairly easy, and they're made with ingredients that you have right in your kitchen. If you don't have flaxseed or chia seed, it's okay. You can add a little bit more oatmeal, or if you have some protein powder at home, you can add some protein powder. They're very forgiving. I would suggest putting them in the refrigerator for maybe 20 minutes before you eat them, if you can, you know, resist, because they are delicious. So this recipe makes 6 balls of delicious energy bites. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen, and I look forward to seeing you so soon. I miss your faces so much. Thanks. The recipe will be up on our Facebook page along with this video. Thanks and have a good day.